today. Okay, that's great to hear. Before we start, let's have a prayer. Anyone who wants to lead the prayer? Okay, thank you, Miss Nari. Thank you, Miss Nari. Good afternoon, everyone. Please open your camera so that I will see the active student here. Okay? Mr. President, please list down on the yellow paper all the absent and for today's discussion. Thank you, Mr. President. And please look up for a place where you're comfortable and the internet is stable. Okay? Okay, let's take a screenshot so that uh, this will serve as our attendance for today. Those who doesn't belong in this screenshot are marked as absent. Understand? Please open your camera. Review our previous lesson about farm, plan, and drawing. Anyone who wants to summarize our previous lesson? Okay, thank you, Mr. Garcia. Okay, class, are you all ready for our lesson? Okay, so before we proceed to the discussion, let's have an activity first. It is a jumbled letter and please arrange it and you will see the word in it. So, anyone? Okay, thank you, Mr. King. Okay, today our topic was all about history and the branches of agriculture. So, anyone, if you heard the word history and branches of agriculture, what is the first thing that comes into your mind? Anyone? Okay, thank you for your idea, Mr. Castro. Okay, let's define what is agriculture first. Agriculture encompasses crops and livestock production, aquaculture and forestry for food and non-food products. Agriculture was a key factor to raise the sedentary human civilization, whereby farming of domesticated species created food surpluses that enabled people to live. Ibig sabihin po, ang agriculture ay pumapasok po dyan ang crops, livestock production, aquaculture, and forestry, na kung saan dito natin nakukuha ang ating mga pangunahing pangangailangan, halimbawa na lang ng pagkain, gaya ng pag-aalaga ng mga domesticated animals. Pag sinabi pong domesticated animals, yan po ay mga animal na inaalagaan natin for human consumption. Yan po ang ibig sabihin ng domesticated animals. And ang agriculture, ito po yung isa sa mga pinaka-biggest factor na nakakaapekto sa buhay ng tao, na kung saan dito natin pangunahing nakukuha ang ating mga income, pagkain, shelter, and something na magagamit natin sa araw-araw. Yun po ang ibig sabihin ng agriculture. So, let's proceed naman sa importance of agriculture. Agriculture impacts society in many ways, including supporting livelihood through food, habitat, and jobs, providing raw material for food and other products, and building a strong economy through trade. Ang kahalagahan po ng agriculture is nagsusupport ito sa ating livelihood sa pamagitan ng pagkain, habitat, at mga trabaho, na kung saan yun yung mga pangunahing provide ng pangangailangan natin upang matugunan po ang ating pamumuhay sa araw-araw. And also, nagbibuild din po ito ng ating economies para maging strong sa pamagitan ng pagtitrade ng iba't ibang product natin sa Pilipinas. Ititrade po natin siya sa ibang bansa, yun. Mas dumadami po yung mga products natin local products na nai-trade natin, mas lumalago po ang ating ekonomiya. Yan po ang kahalagahan ng agriculture. Let's proceed to the history of agriculture. Agriculture was started in the year 2000 BC by the Greeks. Before the modern agriculture, there were hunter-gatherers, domestication of animals, nomadic herdsmen, shifting cultivation, and settled agriculture. Anyone, what is the six branches of agriculture? Okay, thank you, Miss Nina. Okay, let's proceed to the six main branches of agriculture. Number one is agronomy. Agronomy is a branches of agriculture that deals with field crops production and soil management. When we say agronomy po, ito po yung mga agriculture na kung saan nagdi-deals po dito yung lupa kung saan nagtatanim tayo ng mga iba't ibang pananim gaya ng coconut, rice, mais, and other vegetable na nakakain ang mga bunga or root crops nito. Number two is horticulture. When we say horticulture, it is the study and care of plants used for beautification and decoration. Pag sinabi naman po nating horticulture, ito yung pag-aalaga at pag-aaral ng mga halaman na ginagamit pampaganda at pang-dekorasyon. Halimbawa na lang po nito ay ang pagtatanim ng mga namumulaklak na halaman gaya ng sampagita, daisy na nagagamit or nabibenta natin sa pampaganda or pag-decorate ng kung ano man ang ating nais po na i-decorate. Number three is animal science. When we say animal science, it is a branch of agriculture that deals with the study of animals. Ibig sabihin po, pag sinabi pong nating animal science, ito po ay tumatalakay sa mga pag-aaral sa mga hayop upang maalagaan natin ito ng maayos. Na kung saan ang mga hayop na ito ay nagbibigay sa mga pangunahing kailangan natin. Halimbawa na lamang ng mga baboy, bibe, manok, at iba pa na inaalagaan para sa ating consumption. Or is agriculture engineering. When we say agriculture engineering, it is a engineering concern with the design, construction, and improvement of farming equipment and machinery. Agricultural engineering integrated technology with farming. Sabi po nating agriculture engineering, ito po ay may kinalaman sa disenyo or construction at pagpapabuti ng kagamitan gamit ang makinarya sa kanilang pagsasaka. Ginagamitan ito ng iba't ibang teknolohiya upang mas ma-maintain or mas mapayabong pa nila ang kanilang agriculture. 5 is agriculture economics. When we say agriculture economics, it is the study of allocation, distribution, and utilization of resources used along with the commodities produced by farming. When we say economics, agriculture, ito yung pag-aaral ng alokasyon sa pamamahagi at paggamit ng mga mapagkukunang ginagamit kasama ang mga kalakal na ginagawa ng mga magsasaka. The last in the six main branches of agriculture is fisheries. When we say fisheries, it refers to the raising of fish for commercial purposes in enclosed body of water. When we say enclosed body of water, ito po yung mga fish pond, yung kontrolado ng mga taong nag-aalaga ng isda, ang environment ng pag-aalagaan nila. Like halimbawa, sa fish pond, sa fish tank, or sa fish cage, sila nagpapalaki. Ang halimbawa po nito is yung mga bangos, yung mga lobster, yung mga tilapia. Yan po ang fisheries. I know you learn a lot in this discussion. So anyone can summarize our lesson? Okay, Mr. Denver, please rise. Okay, very good. And thank you. Is there anything clear, class? Do you have any question? I have a question. What role do you think agriculture plays in rural development? Miss Lay, please stand. Okay, thank you. So please get one half sheet of paper for our activity and send it to me before 5 p.m. I will post the question and please answer it and send me and um, that's all for today's. See you all again next meeting. Class dismissed. Goodbye.